Go ahead.
Alright guys, so welcome again to my YouTube channel. And you know how we do it here, we do it the giddy way. So guys, what we're doing today, we'll be doing a turban using two different colors. And so if you're wondering, okay, Giddy, why didn't you show us how ladies follow up my last video? I showed you guys how we do this. This is the lifter. This is the lifter. So guys, so far so long, I think my YouTube is about a year now, and you guys have been following up. Thanks for the support, thanks for everything, thanks for always sharing my video. I want to see you guys comment your progress, tell me how far you have gone, chat me up for this week, chat me up, send me the practice. So guys, how are we going to join these two colors to tie a very nice turban? See what we do. This is the lifter. The lifter is already set, so go back to my other video and see how the lifter is made. Then once you get your lifter, now this is the turban we're going to tie. Tie it to get that. Tie it to get that. So guys, see, tie it together. Okay, now that I've tied it together, how are we going to be using it? From the back, we'll bring it from the back so that it will be equal. Tell her to hold this side. Tell her to hold this side. This one comes this way. Then this one comes this way. Then you do what? And this one crosses over, goes through like this. Come over like this. You give her to hold this. You're working with a model, or if you have an assistant that you're working with, fine. So you see, this one crosses over. And you can see this is going to give us, look at it, we continue in that order. Okay, we continue in that, or continue in that order. So you fold yours properly so that it looks nice. Now we continue that order also. Okay, then we pick this. So that's how you continue. So guys, if you have not watched the first video on how to tie a turban, you should do so. So when I've done this way, I'll try to put her hands here. No? Okay, put your hands here. Then I will cross. Just watch what I'm trying to achieve. Just watch what I'm trying to achieve. Now please come to the back, hold this way. So guys, if I've done so much like this, for it to be firm, I want to tie. You get? I just want to tie for it to be firm. So to also make it firm, then we'll come to the back, come this way and continue. So you see, we'll come, we'll come this way and continue. Okay, you hold this side, then get so. So guys, you can see, and so many of you will be wondering, Giddy, how many yards did you use? You didn't mention it in the video. You can use 10 yards, you can use 8 yards each. You get? You can use 8 yards each. 8 yards each. Now that this one is finished here, what I'll do, I'll pin. Okay. Alright, so we'll pin here. We'll pin it here. We'll come to the back, wrap it like. Just wrap it. So give it a wrap. Please come to the back and see. Come this way. So see, we'll just wrap it. We'll pin here. Wrap it. So guys, I will come this way now. Just pick this one once. And also pin here. Okay guys, so one of the Turban, which is the brand, is 8 and this one is 6. So we have a lot of SS. So we'll come to the back. You see what we'll do, we'll start pinning round. Pinning round. Some twisting. Pinning everything to the ones that are there already. There you see twist to pin. So guys, at this point we just split. Make sure we use everything to cover up, then we pin. This, when you are pinning, make sure it goes in, comes out. Just try to pin as much as you can, as if you are sewing. Look at, because you know it's net. So once you go in like this now, try to go in again. Make sure it's firm. That's why I twisted all this one and pin, so that it will be okay. So guys, this is how it's look. You can try this out for your photo shoot. You can try it out for clients. You want to do something different. You see how it is. So I'm expecting your practice.